The ingredients required to prepare the pinag: we required brown rice, freshly grated coconut, palm jaggery, and cardamom powder. So in a pan, I'm taking 500 grams of brown rice. Make sure that you wash the rice and dry it completely before you dry roast it. Dry roast the rice for 12 to 14 minutes on a medium flame. Stir frequently so that the rice is not been burned, and eventually the rice will pop and puff at the end. The rice is done now. Eventually it changes color. You see the original color is like this. This is how it's going to be once it's cooked. Now let's leave this aside in a separate bowl so we can cool this down. While rice is getting cooled, let's grind the 300 grams of coconut. We will not be adding any water to this because we don't have to make a smooth paste out of this. We're just going to grind this normally. So after grinding, this is how it's going to be like. Once the rice is cooled down, let's put it in the blender and just going to make a fine smooth powder of it. So once grinded, this is how it's going to be, the rice powder. So in a pan, take 200 grams of jaggery, add about 2 tablespoons of water. Now let's melt the jaggery completely. Once the jaggery is melted, I'm going to let the gas go on a very low flame and I'm going to add the grated coconut to this. It's always good to have grated coconut added on a very low flame so that the coconut also get a little bit cooked because it's raw coconut, as you know that. Now let's mix this all very well. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix this well again. Now slowly in a small batch, we'll add the rice powder and mix this. Go again. Mix it. Okay. And now let's mix this all very well together. So put the gas off. I've mixed everything now. Now let's leave this aside for 3 to 4 minutes and then just form a shape. So friends, you'll have to make your hands wet and you have to form a shape. Let me take my wedding ring off. Hope my wife doesn't have a problem with that for now. And just take a small portion and let's form a small ball first. First one is ready. We continue with the other one as well. So friends, our pinag is ready now. So if you have liked our recipe, do show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. Until then, love you all. God bless. Adios.